My dog keeps knocking things down like a cat, tail on the edge of the whole damn map. Caught in the curtains, paws in the snack, left a little disaster right under my hat. He hit the plan and he blamed the rug, face like what? I was just being snug. Then he slid past fast with a guilty look, took one sock and the whole room shook. Every shelf's in danger, every cup's on prey. He's got a tiny engine and he runs that way. It's not fair, it's not fair. Little bitty dog getting into everything. It's not fair, it's not fair. Little bitty dog turning my house to a scene. He dug up a paper from the kitchen floor, dragged my favorite slipper to the back door, found a whole box top, chewed the corner clean, looked so proud like yeah, that was me. He bumps the lamp and he stares at me, big soft eyes, pure comedy. I try to be mad but I start to grin, cause he wags that tail and he does it again. Every shelf's in danger, every cup's on pressure.